Have you ever looked at someone and thought, how are they so confident? Like unshakable, even under pressure. You want that. We all do. But here's the truth. Most people think confidence means feeling ready. But what if I told you that real confidence isn't about feeling prepared? It's about taking action even when you're scared. And by the end of this video, I'm going to make you dangerously confident with 5 science-backed real-world steps that actually work. Let's get one thing straight. Confidence is not the input. It's the output. People say, just believe in yourself. Cool, but what if you don't? What if your brain keeps shouting, you're not good enough? Writing affirmations on your mirror is cute, but let's be honest. Did it ever actually change how you felt? Here's what works instead. Step 1. Action first, confidence later. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, said it best. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you want to become. You don't wait to feel confident. You do the thing, scared, awkward, unsure. Confidence shows up after you act. Afraid of public speaking? Start by talking for 60 seconds in a group, then stretch it to 2 minutes. Then handle a section of a meeting. Eventually, you'll lead the whole room or an annual event. Want to get in shape? Don't wait for motivation. Just take a 5-minute walk today. Here's a story to prove it. I knew a coach who didn't ask new clients to hit the gym on day 1. He just asked them to make their bed and snap a photo of it for 7 days. Why? Because by the end of the week, they had proof. I can follow through. That tiny action planted the seed of belief. It's the same with big goals. Break them down. If a goal has 20 steps, just focus on checking off one each day. With every box you tick, you reinforce the identity of someone who does what they say. That's the difference between, I don't think I can do it, and this is who I am. Step 2. Track evidence, not emotions. Your brain doesn't trust pep talks. It trusts proof. That's why tracking your tiny wins is so powerful. Ask yourself, 1. What did I actually do today? 2. What scared me that I did anyway? 3. Did I stick to my plan, even a little? It's not about being perfect. It's about collecting evidence. Because here's the thing, your brain will keep throwing alarms until you show it proof. So show up. Scared, unready, but committed. That's how you behave your way into confidence. That's how you build so much evidence. That not being confident would actually be unreasonable. Step 3. Shrink the task. Big goals overwhelm your nervous system, and that's when people quit. Want to speak on stage? Don't picture a full auditorium. Picture saying just one line in a team huddle. Want to lose weight? Don't commit to a 30-day diet. Start with 1 glass of water. Small wins create momentum. And remember, it's the check mark that matters. Each tick reinforces your identity. You're no longer someone trying, you're someone doing. Step 4, let fear ride shotgun. Let's get real. Your brain is wired for survival, not success. That's why it panics when you try bold things. But the secret isn't eliminating fear, it's taking it with you. Next time fear shows up, try saying this to yourself. You know what? I'm taking this fear with me. It's coming along for the ride, but I'm still doing the thing. Because you're not confident instead of fear. You're confident because you move despite the fear. Step 5. Repeat until it's normal. Confidence is like a muscle. Use it or lose it. The first time, it's scary. The 5th time, it's familiar. The 50th time, it's second nature. Repetition rewires your brain. It transforms, I hope I can, into, this is just what I do. And once your actions build that identity, confidence becomes who you are, not what you chase. Final word. Behavior builds belief. Let's bring it all together. Action comes before confidence. Proof builds belief. Shrink the task. Carry the fear. Repeat until your brain believes you. You don't need to wait for a magical ready moment. You just need to take the first imperfect step. But here's the thing. None of these matters if you can't actually focus while you study. Because even the strongest mindset won't help if your attention is being hijacked every few minutes. So if you're serious about turning this confidence into real results, don't stop here. Subscribe and watch this next video, where I break down how to hyper-focus in a world full of distractions and actually get things done. Tap right here. I'll see you there. Right here.